Okay, I've already set the programming language to C++, and I have placed the code given to you into it. First of all, I'll just show that it is running, so it's correct. So you can see the output down here. So all these are my intended output. Okay, so once this is done, I would like to explain the code itself and what it does. Okay, so this line over here, which is defined, is actually a constant. I'm creating a constant of this name, okay, feet meter, to this value, which I will later use for calculation. Okay, then all these here are my variables, characters, integer, float. Okay, then I start to do printing, output. Okay, so the first thing I output is the letter, which is actually a character, A. So I can output it as a character, but I can also output it as a integer, and it appears in this line. See that the character A can also be interpreted as a number, which is actually the ASCII code. So I do not need to have a conversion of ASCII code or a function to convert it. I just have to rely on the output characters. Okay, then of course I have floats, integer, and of course percentage G is also a float. That's why you can see this value here, which is a float, and this value here is a float. But the interesting thing I would like to show you is this part here is actually a calculation. Meters multiply then the constant feet underscore meter. Okay, so I do not actually need to calculate, store the value, and then later on use the value. I can just output the value directly inside the printf. Okay, the same occurs over here. See that? Okay, all right, this one over here, division. Okay, so a clever use of your printf to output actually can save quite a lot of time. All right, so learn to use the output characters.